All right, fellas. I think we should get to it. We have approximately 12 minutes before non-farm payroll, so I wanted to open up the discussion and see what do we think is happening today. I know we were talking a little bit before the session actually started, but we got some challenges to take off or to look at here for the trading battle. Let's talk numbers. So we had ADP non-farm on Wednesday that came out a little bit softer, and now we have the non-farm numbers today, and I'm seeing forecasts of 720,000. Last month was 943. Unemployment rate expected to be a little bit better at 5.2. Average hourly earnings pretty much staying right there at 0.3%. Jamie, Rob, thoughts on price action this week? Number wise, do we think it's going to be a good hit, bad hit? Do we not care about the numbers? Just focus on price. Take me through your process.
Robert?
Yeah, I don't think it comes down to the jobs numbers. I think if we find out today that Joe Biden is still alive, I think the markets might have a pretty good day. He would be a great president if he were alive. That's all I have to say.
Weekend at Bernie's? Weekend at Biden's?
Weekend at Joe's. No, I think all these numbers are. I don't know. I think the numbers will be. I think the numbers will be weaker than expected. I think we're gonna see some weak numbers, and I think we're gonna see the market maybe react a little bit to that.
Yeah, I do hope that Joe's still alive. To echo Rob's sentiment, and two, and Chris, we were talking about this before we came on, but the dollar has been a one-way train since last Friday, right? Straight down. So
yep.
The one I'm focusing on is Aussie, actually.
Okay.
But when you have moves pre-NFP, a straight line move, I kind of go into the number, look for a final flush out. So, I don't really care what the number is as much as what the reaction is. So looking for maybe a final spike higher in Aussie and then fade that is kind of my thought today. I guess you could play Kiwi too, but Aussie's my focus as far as the levels are just a little cleaner as far as the way I look at things.
So Jamie, let me ask you this. If let's say the news comes out and the immediate reaction is dollar strength, would you actually buy back into that, or do you want to be short Aussie dollar as far as your overall position?
So I would not do anything in that situation, but for the sake of this trading battle, I would have 73.80 for Aussie as kind of a level to, if the move were towards dollar strength and Aussie came off, I'd be looking at 73.80 as kind of the knee jerk fade that spike. So I'm basically looking at 73.80 to 74.50, but we're pretty much there. Maybe even like 74.90 is a level that I've got for Aussie, which I don't know if we're showing our charts right now, but when we do show our charts, I'll point that out and why I am looking at those levels.
Sure. 74.90. So, so Jamie, Aussie dollar, is that going to be kind of your bread and butter today as far as if we're placing trades for the trading battle? Is that the one you want to focus on?
Yeah.
Yes,
most likely, unless, I get something, unless we get some wacky, huge spike, in euro up into like 119.80. But I'm not seeing that. So, Aussie's where my head's at.